Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. So into this tutorial, we are going to continue from where we stop. We are still under binary operations. So another property we are going to be looking at today is identity element. So these identity elements can also be called neutral elements. Okay, so now we can actually call that, they are synonymous, identity and neutral element. So now let's go straight to the definition. So when you have this definition, we have A as there is E equals to E as there is A equals to A for all A, comma E belongs to set of real number. So now the idea here is what we let the identity element here to be E. Okay, so when the identity element is E here, so whenever we have the combination between this E and another element, okay, so we are going to have what we are going to resort to that number again. So now please, I don't want you to be confused, so let me explain what I just said. We have A as there is E, but we are combining E. This A and E, they belong to set of real numbers, okay, as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, and so on like that. So they are real numbers. So now A is a number under this set of real number, and E is also what is also a number under this set. So now if A and this E is our neutral element, identity element, so anytime we combine a number, okay, any number with this identity element E, so we are going to have what we are going to have the result A back. So now under the set of real numbers, okay, so and also operating under the operation multiplication, so you can see that we have a number. Let's say we have 2 and 1 instead. Now you can see 2 belongs to set of real number and 1 also belongs to set of real number. Are you getting it now? So here what I'm just saying here is that this, if I should multiply 2 times 1, you can see that I'm going to have 2. Okay, so this one is served as what is served as identity elements. Are you getting now? When you have what, when you have operation multiplication, you can see 2 and 1, they are formed, they are the same members under what, they are members under the set of real numbers. Are you following me? So this one here serve as what, serve as our E, that is our E here is what is 1, which is what, which is the identity. Are you following me now? Because when you multiply 2 by 1, it gives us what, it gives us the number again. So now let's look at the operation addition. Let's say we have 2 plus 0 now, because this 0 is under set of real numbers, 2 is also set of real number, is under, is one is a member of set of real numbers. So you can see that when we had 2 to this 0, are you getting now? So what are you going to have? We are still going to have 2. That's what we are saying. So we combine 2 and 0 together, so we can see that we have 2 again. So therefore our identity element here is what, a 0, because whenever you had or you pick any number from the set of real number and combine it with 0, so we are going to have the number again. Are you getting now? So therefore this 0 serves as identity element, under this under the set of real numbers when you have operation addition, and 1 is what is identity element, I guess now, under the set of real numbers when you have the operation multiplication. Is that understood? And that is what we are going to be doing here, and that is what the definition is trying to tell us. So now from here, what are you going to do? So now from here, we are giving this question, given the definition A as there is B equals to 2A plus 2B plus what, plus 24. You now say find the identity element. So how are you going to do that? So now this is what we are going to do. Permit me to start by writing solution. So now first of all, you recall this definition, that is whenever you have A asterisk, E is our identity element, so we are going to have this number back. Is that understood now? So now given this definition here, so this is what we are going to do. We have A asterisk B, so this B is going to, A stands, will still be A, and what, and B will still be our what, will be our identity element now, because we want to combine A to E. So now when we combine A to E, this is what we are going to have here. Are you getting it now? We are going to have what, A as there is E to be what, to be A. So now from here, according to the definition given from the question, so therefore anywhere you see B, it will turn to what? It will turn to A. Are you getting now? And you know, when these combinations occur, what we are going to have is that what is the number back, okay, which is what? Which is A. So what we are going to have is, we are going to have A as there is what? A as there is E to be this. Then from the what? From the definition, so we are going to bring this one here. Therefore we are going to be having 2 what? 2A plus, anywhere we see B, we put 2E, then plus what? 24 equals to what? Equals to what do you have? Equals to what? Equals to A. Are you getting it now? So now from here, what are you going to do? So we are going to collect the light time, okay? So we can have what? We can have 2A, okay, or we send 2A to the other side and 24 to this side. We are going to be having 2E, okay, because we are looking for identity element, which is E, equals to A minus what? A minus 2A, then minus what? Minus 24. Are you getting it now? So now from here, what are you going to do? So we are going to have 2E to be equals to A minus 2A. So we are going to be having minus A minus what? Minus 24. So now from here, what's the next thing to do? We are looking for E. So we divide both sides by 2. We divide both sides by 2. So this is going to cancel this. So we have our identity element or neutral element E to be equals to minus. From here, we can factorize this minus out. We have minus, then we have A inside, plus what? Plus 24, then divided by what? Divided by 2. Are you getting now? So now here, as you can see, if we can actually divide this one through or take it to its simplest form, so we can actually do that. But as it is, so this is what? This is its lowest form. So, and that is what? And this is the identity elements we are talking about according to the definition given to us. Do you understand now? So now, if you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. So thank you for watching. Bye.